Welcome to SOLIDBugs. In this tutorial, I will show you how to completely hide the toolbar in full screen mode in VMware. Let's dive in. When unpinning the toolbar, it's not completely removed. To ensure it's fully hidden, go to the menu and click on Edit, then select Preferences. Next, on the left-hand side, choose Display. At the bottom of this section, you'll find the option that says Show Toolbar Edge when unpinned in full screen. Make sure to uncheck this option. After that, simply press the OK button to save your changes. This will ensure that the toolbar is completely hidden while you're in full screen mode. Now, you can enjoy an unobstructed view. In case you're wondering where this setting is saved, you can find it in the preferences.ini file located in the app.o roaming folder. Simply open that file and search for fullscreen.toolbar. The default setting typically shows a value of 3 pixels, but if you want to hide the toolbar completely, you can change that value to 0. This will ensure that the toolbar has now been completely removed from your display. Enjoy your clutter-free full screen experience. Don't forget to save the file after making those changes. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.